In 2014, OnePlus released their first mobile phone called OnePlus One. It was a special event because the price point of their, at that time, flagship model was possibly similar to the mid-range models of their big competitors like Samsung or Apple. 7 years later, we can see their flagship model OnePlus 9 Pro with a price point that definitely is close to the price points of Samsung and Apple. However, OnePlus went a long way to reach this moment, and I want to share with you the unboxing experience of opening up OnePlus 9 Pro. I'm not going to be focusing on the specs of the device, that will come in another video, but I just want to show you a couple of details that made the unboxing experience part of the whole OnePlus experience. You could say they took it to another level and matched it possibly with Apple. So let's get started. The first thing I'd like to focus on is the texture and the quality of the box. It's pretty amazing. It's a beautiful red color with certain glossy details, as you can see here in the corner. Hasselblad. This phone has been co-developed with Hasselblad. We will see how that works in the future reviews. However, you can see when I open up the box, the OnePlus message comes up. So there is some kind of a merging between OnePlus and Hasselblad, which is a small but quite significant detail. Also, the font itself, it's all embedded and it's a beautiful look. It's clean and sleek, obviously at the front, co-developed with Hasselblad. Opening up, when you open the box, there is this suction feeling and you can hear that nice hissing sound. And here you go. It's a beautiful display of the back side of the phone with its huge cameras, of course with a Hasselblad logo. You can also see their vision at the bottom, never settle. And then you have the phone, obviously with the whole focus on camera, and it looks quite beautiful. Now what's amazing is that there is a cutout on the back end for the camera side here, and you can see actually the tech specs of the camera. What's interesting is if you tap it, or if you just leave it for a couple of seconds, you can hear that this is actually a small box where you can see the instruction and a welcome package. It's pretty neat. Upon opening the box, you can see the code P1D50Q, which is the name of the partnership between OnePlus and Hasselblad. You can also see the same code on the instruction box, as well as details of the aperture and the lens. Once you open the box, you can definitely feel it's a premium device, and the feeling of taking it into your hand and just the sheer weight of the whole box makes it a special experience. What's also amazing is that all the accessories are underneath this lid here, and you just experience the phone itself. So you can take the time to really have a look at the phone, unpack it, and then have a look at the rest. So once you open the lid, we straight away see additional accessories, and this is quite unusual, but we have a nice protective case with a OnePlus logo and never settle message. The cable is a typical USB-C, however you can feel the thickness and the quality of it. And you also have the charging plug. Now this is a hefty charging plug, I must say. It has the OnePlus logo. Safety first. And you can see a warp charge, 65 watts. I have to say that after opening the phone, I'm quite astonished in how much quality it went into providing the user with that premium experience. And I have to appreciate it and respect how far OnePlus went in delivering that experience. I think their phones are quite amazing, and I'm yet to experience their latest and greatest OnePlus 9 Pro. Once we've unboxed everything, let's have a look at the device. Now the Hasselblad camera comes up into your face and it wants to show itself and reveal itself and just show you how detailed the whole process of creating that technology is. And I have to say it makes a huge impact on the phone. It's kind of like you have everything is pretty much clean and simple, and then the phone just asks you, just look at my camera. It's quite amazing. And what can I say? Just looks beautiful. You can feel the phone is solid. Has beautiful attention to detail. All the buttons are metal. This camera is so eye-catching and so detailed and so beautifully crafted. OnePlus has already applied a protective screen, hence you don't have to do anything anymore. You can just start using it straight out of the box. Let's go. And we can see the hello screen. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really appreciated the experience that OnePlus has made with unboxing of this device. Afterthoughts after the whole experience are that it's a seriously premium device with some serious tech specs that I'm gonna hopefully cover very soon in the next video. Now in the welcome page that you get a pin, there is also the message from CEO. So let me read this. Hi there, this is the new OnePlus phone and it's all yours. What's in this box is the achievement of the countless people, not just from within OnePlus, but from a global community of users. We made it to be yours best shot, to work live and play as you want to see your world through a new lens and connect with people near and far, all with peerless performance, incomparable design and camera technology built upon the iconic Hasselblad legacy. We listen, we collaborate, we create, and then we do it all over again. With each new edition of OnePlus devices, we are striving to make our modern technology more truly what we all hope it can be. We want to hear from you. Reach out to us, whether online or through the community app on your phone, and help shape the next generation of technology with us. Never settle. Peter, founder and CEO of OnePlus. That's pretty impressive if you ask me. I wish Tim Cook did this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, subscribe to the channel as there will be tons of new videos coming up, And let me know in the comments what other videos you'd expect on this channel. I'd really like to provide you with the content that is interesting to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care.